Hello and welcome back to California Geology. I am Dr. Robert Lopez. Now Hardin actually has the same figure in your textbook, and what I want you to notice about this one, here's that this black line represents the East Pacific rise. So there's seafloor spreading going on here. And note the Farallon plates being subducted, right? Farallon, and then there's a trench with the teeth. And also note that Baja California is still attached to mainland Mexico right here. Still attached to North America. And then here, now she has it here at 20 million years. So after first contact, we've lengthened the San Andreas Fault here, right? So we have the Rivera Junction here, Mendocino Junction here. And what I want you to note here as we go to 10 million years, now we've extended these even farther. Note we still have Baja attached to California, to mainland Mexico. And also what I want you to note here is that we have offshore faulting. So what I mean by that is that the San Andreas Fault is west of Los Angeles. We know today it's east of Los Angeles. So, and also note that this here we're going to have a releasing bend. And what I mean by that is, see how the San Andreas bends here? So this Pacific plate over here is moving this way, whereas North America is moving this way. So this bend allows deep water basins here. So in that region there, we're going to see deep basins. And there's an important formation called the Monterey Formation, which formed anywhere between 20 and about 10 million years ago in these deep offshore basins. And remember, that's California oil producer right there. Now, then right around 4 million years ago, 5 to 4 million years ago, MA, the San Andreas Fault went from offshore to onshore, right? So it migrates eastward. And now when this migration happens, we're gonna break Baja California away from mainland Mexico. See how we're breaking it away? Now Baja becomes part of the Pacific Plate. And then Los Angeles also becomes part of the Pacific Plate as the San Andreas moves east of Los Angeles, right? So now we're going to have onshore faulting, right? Onshore faulting. And now we're going to have something called a restraining bend. And that restraining bend, note that now the fault is bending in the other direction, right? So now here we're going to see compression right here. So this is moving north. And that's moving south, and we're going to see a zone of mountain building here, right? So in that case, we're going to uplift the coast ranges, and really we're also going to uplift the transverse ranges. So we uplift coast ranges and the transverse ranges. So now we change from a time of extension up here to a time of compression. So we start bringing all these mountains up. All right, well, let's stop here for now, and then we'll continue on with this.